When bakers talk about hydration, they're not discussing drinking water. They're referring to one of the most important ratios in all of baking, the percentage of water relative to flour by weight. Here's how it works. Hydration is calculated by dividing the weight of water by the weight of flour, then multiplying by 100. So if your recipe calls for 500 grams of flour and 350 grams of water, you're working with 70% hydration. Simple math, profound implications. Why does this matter? Because hydration fundamentally determines what you can create. A bagel dough sits around 55% hydration, stiff, dense, and tight. Classic sandwich bread hovers near 60%. Artisan sourdough with those gorgeous open holes, that's pushing 75 to 80%. Ciabatta with its signature irregular crumb structure can exceed 80% hydration. The science behind this is fascinating. Flour contains two proteins, gliadin and glutenin. When water meets these proteins and you apply mechanical action through kneading or folding, they form gluten, long, elastic strands that create structure. Higher hydration means more water molecules available to facilitate this process, resulting in more extensible dough that can stretch and capture gas bubbles produced by yeast or sourdough cultures. But here's the catch. Higher hydration doesn't automatically mean better bread. It means different bread. Low hydration doughs are easier to handle, hold their shape beautifully, and produce fine, even crumbs perfect for slicing. High hydration doughs are sticky, difficult to work with, and require different techniques, but they reward you with crispy crusts, complex flavor development, and those Instagram-worthy holes. Temperature affects hydration too. Cold water slows fermentation, giving you more control. Warm water speeds things up, but can make sticky doughs even harder to manage. Understanding hydration transforms baking from following recipes to manipulating outcomes. Want chewier texture? Increase hydration slightly. Need dough that's easier to shape? Pull it back a few percentage points. Once you grasp this ratio, you're not just baking, you're engineering exactly the bread you want.